Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to use the between keyword in the MySQL database. Let's start by looking at the entity relationship diagram. I have 15 tables in my database right now, but in this tutorial, we'll mostly be running queries on the property and the property underscore status table. Say I wanted to count the number of records in my property table where the property deed date recorded date is greater than equal to Jan 1st, 2018 and less than equal to December 31st, 2018. To do that, I can make use of the greater than equal to and less than equal to operator in the where clause. However, a faster way to write the same query is to use the between keyword. Note both the date values are inclusive in this query. Now say I wanted to count all the records in the property table where the property deed date recorded date is less than Jan 1st, 2018 or greater than December 31st, 2018. To do that, I'll use the OR operator in the where clause. However, a faster way to write the same query is by using the not between keyword in conjunction with the AND operator. Let's look at a little bit more complicated example. This time I want to select the property number, property county, and property status name for all the properties where the deed was recorded in the year 2018. To do that, I'll write an inner join between the property table and the property underscore status table on property dot property underscore status underscore ID equal to property underscore status dot ID. In the where clause, I'll use the between keyword to specify the start date of Jan 1st, 2018 and the end date of December 31st, 2018. To sort the output in the descending order of property numbers, use the order by clause with the DESC keyword. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.